In this demo, we will showcase the firewalls in the NSM inventory that are going end of life. As an MSSP, MSP, or distributed enterprise admin, I manage multiple firewalls of different models. I need to know how many of my firewalls in the inventory are going EOL and the product's lifecycle information. Launch Sonic Platform by visiting platform.sonicwall.com. Log in using my SonicWall credentials and pass the two-factor authentication by clicking Next. We're now logged into Sonic Platform, SonicWall's unified management console. Click on the Firewalls menu on the left navigation pane for the NSM user interface. Click on Firewalls menu. Click on Inventory submenu to view the list of NSM onboard firewalls. Click on the expansion icon of one of the old generation firewalls. We are in the Management Status tab and, of course, see all information about the firewall in detail. We will navigate to Product Lifecycle tab, the single place to view the last order, ARM begin, LRM begin, LOD, and end of support date for the firewall model. Let's expand a Gen 7 firewall to see if we can see the product lifecycle data on it. We don't see a Product Lifecycle tab for Gen 7 or TZ80 firewalls, as they're the up-to-date next-gen firewalls of SonicWall.